In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and video channels to your Wix website. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left, click the highlighted plus icon to open the Add panel. From there, choose Video and Music to open all of Wix's video options. Click Wix Video to see the full set of tools designed for showcasing video content on your pages. You'll notice a few different element types. VideoBox is a great all-purpose video container that fits right into your design. Video Mask adds creative shapes and frames if you want something more stylized. Transparent Video is perfect for overlay effects where the video appears without a rectangular box around it. If you want a straightforward player, open Single Video Players to browse clean, focused layouts that place the video front and center. If you plan to embed from platforms like YouTube, select the YouTube option in this panel. You'll also see several video player styles. Click any style you like to place it on your page. Feel free to try a few designs to compare them on your canvas. You can always remove extras later. The idea is to pick a player that matches your brand and the space you have available. With a player selected on your page, click Change Video. This opens your media panel, where you can upload your own video or search for content. Use the Search Videos field to find a clip by keyword, then select the result that fits your needs and click Add. Wix will insert the video into the player you chose. After the video is added, look to the Settings panel for customization. Here, you can fine-tune layout, choose whether controls display, and adjust playback preferences like autoplay or loop. For accessibility and SEO, update the title and basic details so your content is easy to find and understand. If you're building a video channel experience, add a Wix video element now and organize your videos into channels from its management options. Channels make it simple for visitors to browse series or categories in one place. When everything looks good on the page, click Publish in the top right to push your changes live. Finally, click Done to close the confirmation and return to the editor. That's it. You opened the Add panel, chose the right video element, inserted a player style, changed the video by searching and adding it, customized the settings for your needs, and published your site. Repeat these same steps anywhere on your site to feature additional videos or expand into channels as your library grows.